passenger princess. Grabe man eh, ang nag-intramon sa'yo, oh. Spring break na, Dar. Yes, baby. Sirado, men.
Tidenta.
Wala pa.
Turn right on West
FC na lang mga men. Hindi ko magambal, mga sirado mga kamo ha. Kamahalan.
Unlock nyo ano ba?
Unlock niyo yung
Fast food.
fast food. First time naman magkaon sa KFC, ma'am sir. The original kitchen where the secret blend of 11 herbs and spices first developed. The recipe remains a secret to this day.
Movie.
Cowboy, take me away. Parang kulog. Arte-arte eh. May Mountain Dew sila di, ma'am sir. Ano naman na? Sweet
Sweet lightning.
Sweet lightning. Mountain Dew.
Mm.
Them foods for today.
Ha?
Wings for the Tsubasa. See what I did there? Grabe man yung kadrama ng lugar.
Hindi mo yung labsong ako. Kasi.
May nag-MTV. Hindi ka naka-angle. Nagtanaw ka sa sagwa wala. Kasi slow mo ko na wala. Ma'am sir, amo ni ang Icewear country version. Pwede galit ma'am. Kaya? Lami!
Kaya.
Kaya request ni Kuis.
Request kayo ng GM.
Hey, Daddy!
I didn't get the context bit.
It's the guitar!
Ah, thanks. Wait, again. I'm good.
Boy. I swear. Epic na yung break. Change venue na mga ma'am sir. We're here at Lark and Owl again. Oh my god. Dumbbells. Cottage. 90s. 70s. Amazing. I mean, right. Liko tayo mga ma'am sir. Happy lobby for the win. Madali po ay saya. Ang balay nun ko kabata. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you bread. Clearance. Stuffed toy na naman, boy. Cute, cute. $5. Cute pa na. How much? $5 pa. These ones are like my thing. Wait, Rose? Actually, tag $2. Most of them. Strawberry stuff. Oh. What are these? Korea cherries and mushrooms. Hala, cute to. Ceramic mushrooms. Oh, nabugsi. Ew. Gato ka, ew. Bog, ikaw ba yan, bog? Hala, cute. Mini mugs. Like, tea? Espresso. Ang San Ma'am Sir. Dahil kami sa Sunset Boulevard sa Pongo.
Ito sunset na.
Sunset Boulevard. Namin tisan ng taon. Grabe doon mo gano'n siya kita ko. Glare lang na. Daan ko nung masaklap for a short person. May sun. May sunshade. Oh, hindi kaya mo, sir. Hindi kaya.
Boots.
Hindi kaya mo, sir.
Boots, ma'am, sir.
Senso ba?
Bato sila.
Mahangin ba sa labas? Mahangin po. That's it for today's video. And always remember, romanticize life. Bye!